How may I help you? We saw your job posting outside.
We would like to apply.
Oh, okay. Please have a seat. The food service industry has many job opportunities. May it be kitchen work, service role, or even management task. Which position would you like to apply in?
I would like to apply waiter.
As a waiter, how about you?
I would like to apply for
Dishwasher. Okay. Wait for a while for our head chef. Oh, he's here. These are our job applicants, sir. Can you please give us your resumes? Okay, let me see your resumes. While we look at it, please introduce yourself, sir.
Okay, sir and ma'am, my name is Peter Scando, and I am a fresh college graduate. Also, I don't have the experience in working as a dishwasher in a restaurant, but I have an experience in washing dishes in our home.
How about you, ma'am?
And also have
That's good to hear, no? What are your comments, sir?
Yes, just like the trains. You will be going to one from rotation to technique, and of course, that's good. We're looking forward to the hour.
Alvin, the head chef of this restaurant.
I am Mark Darregrace, chef.
I am Diane Rose Lenciano, a chef.
I'm Romeo Diniston, your waiter.
I'm Carlin Casas as manager.
I am Jana Cordan, your waitress.
I am Daisy Vinasatilia, your waitress.
I am Transiga Sulas, your waitress.
I am Ransom Yuan, your dishwasher.
I am Micaela Carolan, as guest.
I'm Jeffrey C. Lozada, your guest.